While most aircrafts need engines to gain flight, there are some that can fly with only the help of human power and no need of any engine. In today's video you will see 15 aircraft that gain flight without any engine, but human power only. A bicycle aircraft. With the use of light carbon fiber, a group of Japanese engineering students united by Sakai Windmill Club made an aircraft that did not require an engine to fly, but rather human power. The student organization that manufactures and operates human-powered airplanes. They aim to set a good record by participating in the Bird-Human Contest by designing, manufacturing, operating, and piloting human-powered airplanes. The aircraft has a large wingspan of over 30 meters that help it to gain airlift. The forward movement is gained by a propeller fixed at the back of the aircraft, which is moved together with the tires by the rating movements of the pilot. Snowbird ornithopter. Real birds fly by flapping their wings, but can a man-made aircraft fly that way? That can only be answered by the incredible snowbird ornithopter. Snowbird vehicle was developed in Canada by Arabella. This amazing aircraft actually flaps its wings while in flight. Flapping allows flying, thanks to the movement of the wings, and not to the work of a propeller or engine. Weighing just over 42 kilograms, the Snowbird has a stunning 32-meter wingspan made of carbon fiber foam. To achieve takeoff, the Snowbird is towed by an automobile. Once in the air, the wings are naturally pushed upward by natural lift forces. It achieves downward wing motion if the pilot uses his feet to push down on a foot slider connected to the wings. The vehicle travels a distance of almost 145 meters at a speed of 15 miles per hour. Human-powered helicopter. On July 11, 2013, the U.S. Helicopter Society awarded Arevalo a prize for the development of this helicopter, powered by muscle traction. To receive the $250,000 grand prize, the helicopter needed to hover at a height of 3 meters for a full minute, while also staying within a 10-meter box. The most difficult issue wasn't lifting off the ground, but staying stationary long enough to last a full minute within the 10-meter box. According to the co-founder of the Aerovelo company, Cameron Robertson, the vehicle was designed for a pilot of less than 160 pounds, which can generate a power of approximately 1 horsepower. The device, despite weighing only 115 pounds, has an impressive dimensions of 190 feet horizontally. In addition, it's equipped with full huge symmetrical propellers made from carbon fiber. Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx from Swiss company Rupert Composite. This insane glider can take off using nothing more than human leg power. Carried on your shoulders, you can actually take to the air with a brief downhill run. This is made possible through its extremely large wing space in relation to its relatively light 100-pound weight. The flight control is carried out with the help of specially adapted side levers and pedals. The wingspan of the plane is 45 feet, the weight of the takeoff can reach 420 and the speed can reach 80 miles per hour. The design also provides excellent flight stability at low speeds. The Archaeopteryx can raise, if the pilot drives it with his feet from a slope, if it receives the help of a moving vehicle, if connected to a glider with a winch, or if it has an electric motor that gives a boost to the movement of the machine. If you're feeling bold, you can also make really tight turns for a more extreme flight. A post circle can be achieved inside a 15-meter radius. When you're ready to come back to Earth, landing is very similar to landing a parachute. Easily assembled and taken apart, the entire glider can be stowed in a small travel trailer. Another group of aviation enthusiasts from Germany aimed at getting their aircraft into the air to fly with the help of wind. With a wingspan of 10 meters and weighs less than 50 kilograms, this aircraft is first pulled by humans in order to gain flight, and then the wind does the other work. Here are some other human-powered aircrafts.